How do you get people to actually download your freebie? People come to your website, they see the freebie and they don't download it. And you are sure it's gonna help them. You worked hours on your freebie, you spent so much time, you know it's perfect, and still people are not downloading it. And this is really frustrating. And I hear other marketeers saying, you need to change the color of your button. It needs to be a little bit more red so people will actually see that button. Or you need to add a big arrow to that button so people can see it. But this is not the point. People know exactly what to do on your website. They understand that if there's something to be downloaded, they need to fill in their email address and they will get an email. People understand that part. So why are they not doing it? It's not because of the color of the button. It's because your freebie is not telling them that it is actually good and they need it now. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a really good converting download page, an opt-in page for your freebie. And I'm going to show it in Kajabi. If you don't have Kajabi yet, you can start with the link below. And you get it 30 days for free and you get also access to our launch pack, training and templates. And I'm gonna give you my templates to set up your website really fast, including the opt-in page and the thank you page. I'm gonna show you in the rest of this video and you get it for free. You also get the swipe copy, you get access to our community, and if you stay in Kajabi, we have 2 more wonderful bonuses for you. Let me take you to the dashboard of Kajabi. Here in Kajabi, on the left side panel, you have website. And here you find the design, the website pages and your landing pages. An opt-in page is the page where you want people to land on so they can leave their email address on it and they get access to your freebie, but they're also added to your contact list. And from this point, you can send out emails on a regular basis to them. An opt-in page is just a normal landing page, and so we're gonna add it to the website landing pages. And here you see the landing pages I already have in this account. Maybe it's empty for you and you can start by clicking the button New Landing Page. Here Kajabi gives you the option to start from scratch or to start with the lead generation page wizard. You can use this wizard, just follow all the steps and Kajabi will create the opt-in landing page for you, including the form, including the thank you page. I'm not using this route because this is just step by step. I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself, because if you understand the concept of creating an opt-in funnel, you can create the most advanced opt-in funnels yourself. When you scroll down, there are all kinds of other templates. And at some point you will find the opt-in landing pages. And Kajabi shows there are 3 and 11 more behind the button. You can use one of these and they give you a gorgeous opt-in form. If you're happy with what you see here, just click on it and you press Get Started and it will create this page for you. If you have no landing pages in your account yet, this is the best way to start, because you need a landing page on your list with landing pages here before you can go to the 3 dots on top. When you press the 3 dots, you can upload your own templates. And now you can upload the free templates we offer you that we have created to give you a highly optimized converting opt-in page. I'll drag the template to my screen and Kajabi will install it. Just wait a few seconds and Kajabi will immediately bring you to the customization of this page. You find the page we have created, you can change everything. You can press the background here, change the background color, but it's more important that you give the right information to the people. So focus on the transformation or the benefit people will get. And we give you the prompts you can use to create those headline and subline. If you're not sure if it's a good headline or subline, just use AI for it to optimize it. Then you have a mockup from your freebie. We use the computer mockup, but you can use any mockup generator to create something beautiful from your freebie. On the right side, there will be an opt-in form, and we need to create this because we want people to fill in their name. So you can click here to select a form. We're starting new, so we don't have a form yet. And on the left side, you find form edit forms. It will open the form panel you'll find on the marketing. And here you can continue with an existing form or you can create a new form. Give it a title and now you can set up this form. The first question is, do you want it to be a double opt-in form or a single opt-in? A double opt-in means that when people filled in their name and email, they need to go to their email inbox and click a link before they are added to your mailing list. And this will give you high quality leads because people actually decide twice to come to your mailing list. If you use the single opt-in, people come to your list immediately, and it's wise to use the reCAPTCHA from the settings activated, so they need to fill in that Google information question, hey, do you see buses or staircases? Otherwise, any spam bot can fill your mailing list. I prefer to use the double opt-in, and with this you can create your customized email and add your personal landing page. On the right side, there's another option to send people to a custom landing page. As we're using double opt-in, you have two landing pages. The first one telling them that they need to click that button. That's this landing page. And then the final landing page, they find it here. We come to this landing page a little later in this video. Now you can ask the name, the email address and connect them with an automation. An automation is an internal link between actions. So when this form is submitted, the YouTube demo form, that's the trigger for this automation, then you can send them an email. And in this email you can give your freebie, or you can subscribe them to an email sequence, and with an email sequence you can send them multiple emails. In the next video we're going to talk about the email sequences and what kind of information you need to put in that email so people will know, like and trust you. For now I just take one of my previous email sequences, Kajabi demo, and save the page. Coming back to our landing page, we have the option to add this Kajabi demo form. And here on the right side you'll find a name and email and a button, Get Instant Access. Everything is already connected. Scrolling down, please give more information about benefits, why people need this freebie. You can change the images, change the text, but this is the spot where people think, oh, these benefits are great, I want this. Then add social proof, add some testimonials of other people who used your freebie. Another opt-in form, connect it once more, update the colors, update the styling, save the page, and you are good to go. When we preview this page, this is what people see. They get an immediate trigger on the benefit or the transformation they will have with your freebie. They will see the image, they can fill in their information and name, and they can get it immediately. The people who need more time, they scroll down, they see the benefits from your freebie. They're still thinking, okay, these benefits are great. Then they see the testimonials, think, oh, other people used it, and there's another form and they can use it. That's all you need. And you can change the colors to red if you like, but that's not really going to give you more conversion. The most important part is to show them that they get really benefits from your freebie. That there's a benefit from giving you their name and email. So that's the first step, building your opt-in form. But it's important to also have a thank you page. And you can use one of the thank you pages in Kajabi, you can create your own one, or you can add the free template we have created because this is a special one. It's called Celebrate Light. Let me install it. And what you see is there's confetti on this page. We don't call it actually a thank you page, it's more a congratulation page. They made a step and you congratulate them for taking this step because this is gonna help them to get to that next level or maybe transformation. If you want, you can use this page also to give them another offer, but on this moment, building your first opt-in funnel, I would suggest keep it simple. Change the colors, change the background, change the wording, and you are good to go. Let's go back to the dashboard of Kajabi and go to marketing once more, to our forms. And we are in the YouTube demo. And here we can add the redirect to custom confirmation with the page we have just created. It's Celebrate Launchpad for English, and now it's connected. I personally prefer to also have a page that tells them to check their email. And this is the landing page you need to connect here. So save the page once more. Let me go back to our landing pages. And now you have the option to duplicate this page and use the confetti once more, or just create another page telling them, hey, great you're here, but you need to go to your email box and click that button. If you want to see how we use a double opt-in for our landing pages for our freebie, you can download the HitchHikers Guide to 100K for free. It gives you all the steps to build out a 6-figure business, and it's fun to read. And you also get insights how we create this flow with the different landing pages, how the double opt-in works. So it's a great test case for you also to download it. Well, this is it. This is how you build your own funnel. You see, it was just a few clicks. You can do it yourself. You don't need inside tools. Now you know how it's working and why it is working. If you haven't done it so far, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about the email sequence. What kind of emails do you need to send to the people so they will know, like, and trust you, and you can take them to the next offer, maybe the paid offer you've created for them. I hope to see you in that video, or otherwise in this one.